Welcome. In this lesson, we will learn how to determine the highest index at which a value should be inserted into an array to maintain its sorted order. This is particularly useful when dealing with ordered data structures, where we need to keep items sorted after insertion. Let's get started. The challenge here is ensuring that after inserting a new value, the array remains sorted. Additionally, we need to handle different sorting orders and use an iterator function to transform values before comparison. Let's see how we can implement this efficiently. The function sortedLastIndexBy determines the appropriate index for inserting a value while maintaining order. First checks if the array is sorted in descending order. Then, it applies the provided function to map values and finds the correct insertion point. The final adjustment ensures the index aligns with the original array structure. The function starts by determining the sorting order. Then, it transforms values using the iterator function and finds the highest index where the new value can be inserted. Finally, it adjusts the index to match the original array structure. Here are a few test cases to illustrate how this function works. It correctly identifies the highest index order where the value should be inserted while maintaining order, whether the array is sorted in ascending or descending order. It also works with objects by applying an iterator function. This technique is widely useful in real-world applications, whether you're handling sorted lists, enhancing search performance, or maintaining rankings. Finding the right insertion point is essential for efficiency. The ability to handle object-based sorting makes it even more powerful. In summary, this function allows us to efficiently insert values into sorted arrays while preserving order. With further optimizations, such as binary search, we can improve performance significantly. Understanding this concept can help in many areas of data processing and algorithm optimization. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.